an air warning has been received from the Air Force Station of a possible attack. This is the information coming in from Chandigarh, and sirens are being sounded. All advised to remain indoors and away from balconies in Chandigarh. That's the update coming in from authorities there. Let's quickly cut across to Pavit, who's joining us live. Pavit, what's the latest coming in from Chandigarh? Pavit, if you can hear me, take us through the latest air warning. We are told that there are sirens that are being sounded in Chandigarh at the moment. What's happening there, Pavit?
Yes, exactly, Madhav. From last 15 to 20 minutes, there are air raid sirens which are going around in Chandigarh and which has created a wave of panicness in the residents out there. The DC Chandigarh has already informed the citizens out there that they should not panic and they should remain indoors because they have received an input from the Air Force Station that there is a possibility of a drone attack in the city, and they are on it. They are trying their best to neutralize the drone attack, but the residents should stay inside indoors and they should not go on the balconies to shoot something because we have been seeing a lot of videos where people are circulating and people are already going outside, so they have been advised to stay indoor, turn off the lights, turn the movements. If they are roaming around, they should stop. They should find a place to hide, and before that they have been informed about the air sirens, about the attack by the air sirens from past 15-20 minutes. So this is the latest breaking which is coming from Chandigarh, that from past 15-20 minutes air raid sirens are going around in Chandigarh and there is a possibility of a drone attack in Chandigarh.
Okay, all right, Pavit. Air raid sirens going on in Chandigarh, and civilians have been asked to stay indoors, and that's the advisory that has been issued. While remember, all educational institutions have also been shut. Well, with that, it's time for us to slip into a very quick break here. It's a developing situation. We continue getting you very credible information, verified information only on Times Now. We'll be right back after a quick break.